I believe this happens because once we start installing new apps, it kind of pushes the Google Play Store in the background. All right. So if this happens to you, if you can't find it in the apps, go to your settings. And from settings, go to apps. Now, just ignore it at the top here because I just recently opened it. But from apps, go to see all apps. And from see all apps, just scroll down. It goes in alphabetical order. So just scroll down to the G's until you see Google Play Store, and then you can select open. Now, once you do open up the Google Play Store, it should automatically go to the apps. So once you do this a couple times, you shouldn't have to do it moving forward, all right? I know a lot of us had this issue, including myself, so hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, let us know in the comments down below. And if you are interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products like this one, feel free to subscribe to the channel because I'm always trying to teach you guys something whenever I learn how to do it myself. But for this video, this is all I got for you. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.